Across America, beyond the giant cities, beyond the skyscrapers and highways, there are towns slowly disappearing. Empty streets, closed stores, rusted signs. Places where factories once roared, where children filled schoolyards, where downtown streets once stayed alive late into the night. Today, many of those streets are silent. Drone shot over fading rural town. This is the story of small-town America. A story of loss, survival, and the fight to stay alive. For generations, small towns were the backbone of the United States. Coal towns, farming communities, railroad hubs, manufacturing centers, old photographs and archival-style visuals. They built the steel, grew the food, powered the economy. In these towns, everybody knew each other. Kids riding bicycles, church bells. Schools were full. Churches were crowded. Main streets were alive. Narrator. This was the America many people remember with nostalgia. Simple, stable, connected, slow fade to abandoned buildings. But over time, something changed. The decline did not happen overnight. One factory closed, then another. Boarded up buildings. Jobs disappeared. Manufacturing moved overseas. Automation replaced workers. Rusting industrial plants. Entire local economies collapsed. For many towns, a single factory employed thousands. When it closed, everything suffered. Empty restaurants and shops. Restaurants lost customers. Stores shut down. Families moved away. The population shrank. And once people leave, they rarely return. Abandoned houses. Homes lost value. Schools lost students. Some towns became shadows of what they once were. But not everyone left. Some stayed behind. Old farmer walking fields. Because this was home. In many small towns, resilience became a way of life. Farmers continued working the land. Local diners and barbershops. Local businesses fought to survive. Communities adapted. Neighbors helped neighbors. Church food drives. Churches became support systems. Even during hardship, small-town identity remained strong. People still gathered at football games. Still celebrated county fairs. Still waved at strangers driving by. American flags lining streets. A culture of connection difficult to find elsewhere. Today, small-town America faces new challenges. Hospitals are closing. Empty rural clinic. Schools struggle for funding. Internet access remains limited in many areas. Young people often leave in search of opportunity. Teenagers leaving hometown. And aging populations are left behind. Some towns have fewer than 1,000 residents. Drone shot over nearly empty town. Others are slowly disappearing entirely. Yet despite these struggles, many residents still refuse to give up. As major cities expanded, many rural communities were left behind. Jobs concentrated in urban centers. Busy cities versus quiet towns split screen. Technology industries grew elsewhere. Economic inequality widened. Some rural counties now face persistent poverty. Struggling families. Limited healthcare. Lower wages. Fewer opportunities. And yet, these communities continue supplying much of America's food, energy, and labor. Small towns still matter. In recent years, some small towns have begun fighting back. Remote work created new possibilities. Young people working from rural homes. Families searching for affordable living moved away from crowded cities. Some communities reinvented themselves. Tourism, local agriculture, renewable energy, small businesses, farmers markets and festivals. Old downtowns slowly reopened. Not every town will recover, but some are finding new life. Children playing in parks, and with it, renewed hope. Small towns are more than geography. They are memory, tradition, identity. Families at football game. Places where generations grew up together. Places where people still know your name. Where neighbors still stop to help. Quiet sunset over farmland. Where life moves slower, but often feels more human. Even in decline, many believe small-town America still represents something deeply important. Community, belonging, home. So, is small-town America fading away? Or fighting back? Montage of old and new small-town life. The answer depends on where you look. Some towns may never recover. Others are quietly rebuilding. Children running through small-town streets. And in many places, the spirit never disappeared. Because even when businesses close, Even when populations shrink, people still remain, still hoping, still surviving. And somewhere, on a quiet road far from the city, the heart of America still beats.
Please keep watching the documentaries on American life files and don't forget to like, share the videos and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon button so that you could see the new documentaries and receive the notification.